students, let us learn the chapter Psychology. Psychology is often misunderstood as just mind reading, but it is actually a rigorous science studying three specific areas: mental processes, experiences, and behaviors. Long ago, it was the study of the soul, but today we use biological and social methods to gather data systematically. When you solve a difficult math problem, you are using mental processes. When you blink at a sudden movement or choose to hang out with a friend, that is behavior. Psychology organizes these observations into a body of knowledge to help us understand the human condition better. Is your mind just your brain? Scientists say they are interdependent but not the same. The brain has a physical structure you can see on an fMRI, but the mind has no single location. It emerges from your life experiences and interactions. Fascinating cases show that even after brain injuries, a person's mind can stay intact. For instance, someone who loses an arm might still feel a phantom arm reaching for coffee because their mind still holds that movement. Brain activity provides the clues, but the mind is the story those clues tell. Experiences are the most personal part of psychology because they are subjective. Only you can truly know your own feelings. Psychologists study everything from the positive feelings of a romantic encounter to the intense pain felt by a patient. Your environment also changes how you experience reality. Imagine a crowded, hot bus on a summer day. Normally, it's a nightmare. But if you are on that same bus with your best friends, laughing on the way to a picnic, you might not even feel the heat. This shows how our internal state and external conditions combine to create our unique experiences. Behavior is any reaction we make to the world around us. Some are overt, meaning they can be seen by anyone, like running away from a threat. But others are covert or internal. Think of a chess player in a deep, difficult game. To an observer, they look still, but internally, their heart is pounding and their muscles are twitching as they see the move in their head. Whether it's a simple eye blink or a complex decision, behavior is always a response to a stimulus, whether that stimulus is a tiger in the room or a thought in your mind. When we treat psychology as a natural science, we look for objective, measurable facts. Following the hypothetic or deductive model, much like physicists, we start with a theory. We then propose a hypothesis and test it against real-world data. If the data doesn't match, we revise the theory. This scientific precision has allowed us to develop standard theories on how we learn, remember, and perceive the world. It's all about finding the cause and effect, so we can predict behavior and help people manage it effectively. As a social science, psychology realizes that we are products of our environment. Consider the story of Ranjita and Shaban. They lived very different lives. One was an outgoing athlete from a large family, the other a shy artist. Yet, when a flood hit their village, the community's culture of helping brought them together as best friends. This branch of psychology studies how unique social and cultural conditions make us who we are. It explores why humans can be incredibly selfless in a crisis, yet sometimes act differently under the same stress.